All right, so I know what you're thinking. This property here on 932 Tipperary, you're thinking, oh my God, what is going on here? Well, I'm gonna walk you through the vision of what the bid here is. We have a bid for $280,000 to transform this property into a property that's gonna look kind of like that one. Okay, it's gonna shine just like that neighbor. Okay, so this is what we have in store for this property. What you're looking at right there, this carport was going to be converted into a garage. Okay, so an enclosed garage. On top of the carport will be a terrace that will overlook. This property is all about the location. We are walking distance away from White Rock Lake. So this is gonna become the front of the house. Okay, so just imagine you have your driveway right here, and then you're walking into the house. Here is where the front entrance would be, right around here. So you walk in, and slab is ready to be poured right here. Okay, so you walk in, and to the right here is where a studio, an office would be for those that work at home. Then you walk in, and what you have is a wide open floor plan. Your kitchen is right there. Then here's where the dining area, and this would become the laundry room right here in this space right here. You have a large laundry room, and where this house will end up being 3,165 square feet, so 3,165 square feet. Right here would be stairs. So these stairs will take you up, and once you get up there, to the left is your terrace with the beautiful view of this area, and to the right would be a large, expansive master bedroom. So a master bedroom would sit on top of where we're at right now. You're looking at least a 20 by 20 square foot master bedroom. Right back here, right above us, would be the master bathroom with all the ensuite features: double vanity, the freestanding tub, the shower, and then a large walk-in master closet would be above us right here. So the rest of the house, we're going to walk you through. It's already been framed out. So we have one of the bedrooms right here with this closet. This area right here on the other side is the furnace. Well, this would be opened up, and right above us right here, on this side is the second story, where the master bedroom and the ensuite and the closet and everything is. And on the other side would be where you put the water heater right on top of the attic, or the furnace and all the vents and all that for this house. So that'd be the attic area. So right here we have what would be the third of the bedrooms with its normal size closet right there. Then we continue on, and we have the second bathroom. This one is the one that's shared with the double vanity. You have the toilet right here, shower right here, and possibly even a tub right there. So you have a large bathroom, second bathroom right there. This is the fourth of the bedrooms. This could even be a downstairs master. So it's gonna have a large bathroom connected to it. This bathroom has double vanity. Here's where the shower would be, and here's where your toilet would be. So you're looking at a complete transformation. The electrical panel is supposed to go in the outside. It's going to be moved. You know, you have a blank canvas, and when you're done, could end up looking, it won't necessarily look like that one, but it's going to be a beautiful house in a beautiful, quiet neighborhood, well established with the large trees, just walking distance to White Rock Lake and White Rock Park, and just a fantastic opportunity. The rehab, we have it bid out by the outstanding Larry Jasper Constructions, and he is definitely one of the better people to handle this type of project. So if let me know, we will. You can let's get this deal done, and look forward to speaking with you.